So guys, for the first method, you want to head over to search and type in check for updates. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to click on check for updates. Make sure your computer is fully up to date. See if that works for you. If that's still not working for the second method, you want to head over to search again and type in device manager. Click on it. And then once you're on this, you want to expand batteries. Then you want to find your battery. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatic for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for the device installed. And now for the next method, you want to head over to search again and type in CMD. Then you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And then once you're on this, you want to type in msdt.exe space /id space power diagnostic. Click on enter. Then you want to run this, so click on next. You want to go through this, wait for this to load, see if this works for you. If that's still not working, you want to go back to device manager. Then you want to find batteries, you want to expand it. Then you want to find your battery, you want to right click on it and then click on uninstall device and then click on uninstall. Now you just want to restart your computer and then the battery should be automatically installed again and then the problem should be fixed.